Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an everyday makeup look. It's super simple, super easy, dewy, hydrating, moisturizing, just fresh, simple, and fun. So as you can see, I have new hair and I love it so much. So I went back to the dark side. If you know me in my real life, then you know that I've always had dark hair. Last year in January is when I went into blonde balayage, so I did that. I had that until yesterday. It's not all like one color. I did not want that. My hairstylist just did like a darker toner, and then later on, once my hair can like really grasp the pigment again, because that's the problem. Once you bleach your hair too many times like I did, your hair just doesn't like grasp on to the pigment of any dye or toner anymore. So once my hair is a little healthier and just gets back to its old ways, I'm gonna do some baby highlights towards the bottom of my hair, because I love the look of hair that's just multicolored and like multi-dimensional, and it just looks super nice. I don't personally like on me anymore right now at this time in my life. I don't like my hair to be one solid color. So I have my dark roots, which look almost black, but they're not black, they're dark brown. And she did a toner that's kind of like a wood color. In the sun, it just looks like 3 or 4 different shades of brown, and I just love it. I also cut it, so now it's just a little bit under my shoulders, and it just has so much nice bounce to it. It looks healthy, it feels healthy, it's shiny, so I just love it. Anyway, with that whole spiel of my hair, this is my makeup look for today, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see how I did this, keep on watching. Okay, so starting off with my makeup base, I'm using the CoverFX Blurring Primer. I like using this because on my T-zone, it just really mattifies everything, and on a daily basis, I don't love wearing like so much powder, and I don't want to be like super matte around this time of year. I like the nice dewy look, so I just put this mostly on my T-zone and mattifies, but it'll also fill in any pores, and it'll just smooth everything out in the middle of my face. So for the tinted moisturizer, I'm going to be going in with the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer and a little drop of my current foundation. Right now I'm still using the CoverFX Power Play Foundation in a little glass palette and just mixing that up together. So I went ahead and added a little bit of my moisturizer to my little palette here. I'm just going to add like 3 little drops of foundation first, taking the end of any brush and just swirling this together. I'm basically just using this to get rid of any redness and just to even out my skin tone, so when I go in with concealer, it just doesn't look like just under eye concealer and it's super bright and it just looks weird. So I'm just going to take it and apply it. All over my skin like a regular cream. I'm not really gonna do much, like it's like if I'm just applying this moisturizer. Or you can blend some down my neck to moisturize my neck and to give a little coverage, just so it's all nice and even. This moisturizer is super hydrating, so I look nice and refreshed and dewy, and this is perfect for like an everyday look. I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, this is what I do most of the time. Okay, so next I'm actually gonna go in with this Glam Glow product. I've used this before here on my channel, but I'm just gonna add this to my cheeks to moisturize and to add some luminosity to the skin as well. I'm just gonna add it to like the outsides of my forehead, my cheeks, and just kind of stay away from the nose area because that's where I get the most oily, and I don't want to bring luminosity to where I'm oily already. But now to go in with a little bit of concealer for my under eyes, I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eyes, not a lot. With my dampened beauty blender, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. I even put some on my eyelid so I can start like kind of getting tacky for when I do a little bit of eyeshadow. Now before I go in with powder and set this, I want to go in really quick with this Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter. This is in the shade Sparkler, and take some on my finger and apply that where I would apply highlighter. I want to do this before powder, so when I apply the powder, it'll set my under eyes, but the highlighter will still peek through. I'm gonna go in with the powder highlight later, but I just want a little bit of extra shine and just glow. I just wanted to go ahead and apply this before I apply my powder because, like I've done before, I have messed up liquid highlighter by adding powder products on top, and it just doesn't look good. So for my under eyes, I'm just gonna set it with this Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, using my beauty blender and taking that banana and that pink shade and just pressing it on my under eyes. Okay. Now for blush, I'm going into the Wanderess Dusk to Dawn palette. This is the blush and highlight palette. Today I'm gonna go in to this Tuscan Sunrise shade and just apply some blush. I love wearing blush that have a little bit of sparkle in them or a little bit of like sheeny glow. So it just, you know, it just brings life to your face and you're not like super matte and flat. And for highlight, with my highlighting brush, I'm using this highlight right here. It is called City Lights. It's very similar to the Tarte one that I applied, so just a powder highlight. Even on an everyday basis, the highlight has to be popping. For my eyebrows, I'm still using the iconic London brow cushion. This has become a staple part of my everyday routine. Now, if I don't wear anything on my face, my eyebrows are most likely like 99.9% done, like all the time. I rarely leave my house without having my eyebrows done, but that's just like, unless I'm staying home all day and I absolutely don't wear makeup, I just have like skincare on, then my eyebrows won't be. But if I leave my house, you best believe my eyebrows are on. And this is my current favorite product. I kind of want to look into a pencil for like a more like faster alternative, but right now this is like my holy grail, my ride or die. But for my eyebrows, I do have to concentrate, so just enjoy this little bit of music. Eyebrows are pretty much done. I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my concealer, clean them up a little bit on the underside, and also use this as a little bit of a primer. So eyebrows are done. Now for today's eye look, I'm going to be using the Zodiac palette from Colourpop x Kathleenlights. Kathleenlights is an amazing YouTuber. Pretty sure all of you guys know who she is. She's awesome. She's also here from Miami, and I'm just like fangirling for every collab that she ever does. So I'm going to be using this Zodiac palette, and I'm going to start off with the Taurus. It's just a nice everyday like transition shade. I'm going to use this like all over my transition area, crease, upper crease, almost all the way up to the brow bone. Perfect. Now I'm going to use my flat shader from the Vintage Company, and I'm going to go in to the Libra and Scorpio. I'm using these two shades because of the outfit that I'm wearing, but if not, I would go into the Cancer or the Gemini. Love this. Sometimes I literally just wear the Gemini all over my lid That's it. I don't even wear a transition shade. Maybe I do, but like not really. So today I'm just gonna go into Scorpio. It's dark, but I'm just gonna put this on my lid and the outer part. Flip the brush, go into the Libra, inner corner, blend both colors. Love it. Now I'm just gonna take a fluffy blending brush and blend this into the Taurus. Pretty much almost done with the eyes. I'm just gonna highlight my eyes with the Cancer. I really like to bring it into the inner part. Inner corner. And I like to drag this out towards the center of the inner corner. Last shade, completely optional. I'm just gonna smoke it out a little bit with the Virgo. Super, just one tap because they're super pigmented. And add that to the outer corner at the bottom. But it's super quick and easy. There's really not much blending to be done, especially with these shadows. They blend super, super easily. That's pretty much it for the eyes. Okay guys, so we are approaching the end of this makeup look. I'm now just gonna quickly curl my lashes with my Tarte curler. And I'm gonna go into my two fave mascaras at the moment. I love the Too Faced Better Than Sex and the It Superhero Mascara. Awesome for volume. I definitely need to go get a new one because she's a little clumpy at the moment, but it's fine. We can still make her work. I'm gonna apply it to my lashes. My first coat of mascara is with the It Superhero. I'm just gonna wait for that to dry real quick while I do my bottom lashes. And go in with the Better Than Sex in my top lash. No falsies needed for this look at all. Okay, so now to finish it off, I'm gonna do lips. I'm using the Colourpop Luxe lipstick in the shade Quickie and my favorite gloss shade in the shade Cabana Boy. So I'm just gonna use this Quickie shade. It's way too nude for me, so I just like to dab it on. Like I just like go like this. It just adds a little bit of like a base for this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gold glossy shimmer shade. So this is my favorite everyday gloss. This is my third tube of this. I love this gloss. Last but not least, we're always gonna set our face regardless of what it is with the Morphe setting spray. Hey everyone, so this is the finished makeup look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss my upcoming video. As always, please leave a comment down below for what you want to see from me next. I just want to make content that makes you guys happy and just makes me happy, and that has to do with makeup and skincare and hair and just lifestyle. So please leave a comment down below of what you want to see next. So with that being said, I love you guys so, so, so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!